Hello. Welcome back to FX Vision channel for the trading opportunities. In this video, I'll be speaking about USD CHF, and now, as usually, keep the video as for the educational as possible. First of all, I will be covering the technical aspect of this market, and we will be moving to the order flow and looking to the commitments of the traders. Essentially, what hedge funds and big players in the market are doing, and they are shifting their orders by the end of the video by using the combination of these two different types. Uh, Using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have to find the probabilities for the next potential move here for this player. So this is a definitely video you don't want to miss. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe this place for the high quality free trading education. Without further, let's jump straight to the further charts. So as you have seen in my previous videos regarding GBP and gold, I have already given the analysis. Please take a look in this video also for the educational, as I've already told you that this video is for the educational purpose. Starting from the monthly time frame, we can see that at the movement, the market is testing the quite strong historical monthly demand support zone. From here, all this previous rejection to the upside was created at the movement. The market is testing the exact same area and has already started rejecting it to the upside. So from monthly standpoint, everything seems to be bullish, and more bullish price could be expected anyway from this zone. Dropping down to the weekly time frame, we can see that there is a massive rejection to the downside when the market started creating this horizontal range here from a weekly standpoint, and now we just had a breakout to upside. Now, generally speaking, when you have creational range, the market is, let's say the market is moving in the range and clearly top and the bottom of the range hedge has already been respected on the multiple location, which is exactly what we have right here in this range. Then the market breaks out the upside from the range, which is exactly what happened right here. After that, what would naturally expect is for the market to retest the range and then create a rejection to upside. That is the most basic kind of continuation to the price action in the case of this pattern, which you can find in a general technical analysis. And in this situation like this, what you expect, as we were just saying, is for the market tide to go and test the area and get rejected to the upside. And what can notice is the market already went and tested the zone, and now we would be in the phase to expect the potential rejection to the upside way. Jumping to the daily time frame, what do we see from the daily perspective? We can notice we didn't have a really strong retest of the structure. This area is a quite important level of resistance that was tested and respected in many occasions. And after a break to the upside, what you would expect is a real test of the zone before then getting to the rejection to the upside. So there is definitely the possibility for this market to go for the deeper test of the zone and check what kind of liquidity is there inside this area. And then after institutions have loaded up their lungs at that point to see the rejection to the upside. Speaking about the institutional longing, if we are going to see when it comes to the commitment of the traders, so the big players in the market are doing what we look the data precisely for the CHF. We can see how the last reports net position have massively decreasing. We went from having minus 17.1k net position all the way down to having minus 22.4k net position, showing how institutions are moving back to the bearish sides for CHF, therefore making the CHF weaker. Now, if you keep the mind that all currencies on this spot are traded against the USD, if these institutions are shorting the CHF, they are essentially longing on USD CHF because they are shorting CHF USD. So in this situation like this, we are weakening the CHF by longing USD CHF, therefore making it stronger. So if we keep this in mind and move back to the chart, this means that there is definitely the possibility the market will test this area to see more institutional longing, which at that point could further increase the probabilities of a potential rejection to the upside away from the area. Uh, you can check my channel to for the further updates. In this situation, if the market would retest this area, what would I expect? The usual trading is reactive, not productive. The monthly and the weekly daily, combine all the time frames for the best direction of the trading. When it comes to identify or shift the trends from the time frame that are intraday time frames, so far hourly and weekly, therefore this market would shift its point from bearish to bullish. I wouldn't be surprised to see the potential rejection away from this area, completing the day impulse correction and impulse pattern. And if you want to learn more regarding all the trading actions, I would like to say to please like and subscribe my channel and see my each and every video regarding. I have already updated regarding GBP USD today's analysis, and gold I have already uploaded, weekly analysis I have already been uploading. And please do like and subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment section whatever educational purposes training you want to get from me. I will be making a video regarding the same. Thanks a lot. Thanks you, my friend. Please do like and subscribe my channel.